It is January the 1st of 2019, and I'm in a petite suite in the Treasure Island. This room is a really great bet because it has two bathrooms in it, and let me show you around. I'm in the entry hallway, and as you walk in, the room petite suite is a little bit of a misnomer. You've got a bed, I've stayed in before, they're lovely. You've got a nice desk space, and a little bit of a table, and then you also have a couch. However, that's it. So the room's suite essentially just means large room. Now you've also got a lovely entry hallway, but what the real payoff is on this room is in the bathrooms. To my right or to your left as you come in is the first bathroom, which has its own closet. The toiletry's on the sink. It has its own toilet, but it also has a shower, and in the shower it has a bench which effectively turns it into a steam shower if you turn the water on hot enough. If you go into the other bathroom, you have a scale that I'm not sure I'm going to like as I get later and later in my trip. You have a second closet. That one has your safe deposit box as well as a refrigerator. The refrigerator doesn't have anything in it, so you can store your own goods in it. And then you have a jetted hot tub, which is excellent for relaxing after the end of a long day, and another toilet. So, the Petite Suite at Treasure Island, Las Vegas. You wouldn't want to book it because it's a huge room. It's not. The reason that you book the Petite Suite is that it's an incredible value. It's still a very large room with its own very large TV, and it's got two bathrooms, which makes it useful if you're traveling with a large party. Travel safe and visit us more on Dine Drink Travel.